Kahani Ankahi is a journey of feelings and emotions. Love that we feel can't be fully expressed in words, but we try to portray a picture that shows true sense of love and feeling of being in love. Get ready for a nostalgic love story written by our new member Ajay Rana with me Geeta Sharma. So let's start and know more about Rohit, Riya and their nostalgic love story. Smiling, waving his hand swiftly and throwing flying kisses, Rohit said bye to Riya, his wife, and moved towards the cab that was waiting near his society's gate. Shyly responding back, Riya flashed her trademark ear-to-ear smile. By the time the Desire Tour started, Rohit got occupied in checking floods of WhatsApp messages. The most urgent ones get immediate attention, setting the agenda of meeting with MD and finalizing some vendors for the upcoming projects was sorted out quickly. He didn't miss congratulating Ruhi on her first marriage anniversary and Rishabh for buying his dream house. After running through all the narrow lanes, Desire was on a 4-lane smooth road and was running in the 5th gear. It was in a hurry to reach the destination as soon as possible. Suddenly, Rohit shouted, "Oh no!" Expressing displeasure, he frowned. "How can this happen? This is not possible." Sanju, the cab driver, intervened. "Sir, what happened? Can I help?" No, nothing happened. Everything is fine," replied Rohit. Rohit couldn't believe that while saying hi and bye to Riya, he had picked his helmet. Seeing it in the cab had completely annoyed him. Before a sudden agony could ruin his mood completely, he felt like going into flashback. Touching the helmet's skull and glass, he recalled the day when he had seen Riya wearing the same helmet and driving her favorite scooty in the local Mumbai market. Rohit and Riya shifted to Mumbai almost 3 months after their dream marriage. Finally, they had succeeded in convincing their parents to let them marry. Two childhood friends who had been dating since many years and were hell-bent on marrying each other, but only after getting permissions from their parents. In a leading automobile company, Rohit heads a team of half a dozen young professionals. He requested his seniors to transfer him to Mumbai. Newlywed Rohit and Riya reached Mumbai from their hometown Lucknow, harboring a dream of making every day memorable in this tinsel town. They also wished to make their mark in the city, which had fulfilled many dreams in the past. Sitting in the cab and holding the helmet in his lap, Rohit then recalled the first Mumbai rain when he was sitting behind Riya as a pillion rider. Even that day, Riya was wearing the same helmet. But the most memorable moment associated with the helmet was when wearing this, Riya, in her denim jeans and t-shirt, had gone to a local shop. And Rohit was coming with his father, who had come to Mumbai to live with them for a few days. Rohit knew it was Riya in the helmet, but his father couldn't recognize her. Nostalgia gripped Rohit and he suddenly started liking and feeling extra attached to this helmet, which few minutes back had been a burden for him. While Rohit was lost in his thoughts, a heavy and hard brake stopped his train of thoughts. Turning back, Sanju said, "Sir, we have reached your office. We are just in front of the reception area." Collecting his belongings, especially the helmet, Rohit paid the bill and came out of the cab, keeping the helmet closer to his heart. From office guard to his colleagues and seniors, all were surprised and shocked to see Rohit carrying a helmet, as they all knew he had been coming to office in a cab from the last couple of months. But for Rohit, the helmet was reminding him the presence of Ria. And so nothing matters who says what. Story continues. Stay tuned to know more about Rohit and Ria in coming days. So, did you like this story? Do share, comment and subscribe Kahani Unkahi for more stories. And if you are interested in sharing your story with us, then here is your chance to do that. Mail us your story at kahani.unkahi0104@gmail.com. We will give voice to your words and publish it on our YouTube channel with your name and photo. This is a way to reach those who understands true love.